Hi everybody, Mindy here. I just wanted to let you know about a workshop that I'm going to be giving this coming Friday, November 23rd, the day after Thanksgiving, on Black Friday. I decided that I didn't want to go shopping because I don't really want to be out in the crowds. So what I'm going to do with the day off is I'm going to teach a series of workshops to teach you how to hedge and how to utilize hedging in your Forex strategies, because it really doesn't matter what strategy you use for your Forex trading. Hedging can be an amazing opportunity for you when you know how to use it properly to increase your profits in your Forex trading and reduce your risk. And that's always a good thing, right? So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about hedging, about the realities of hedging, and why it is such an important tool to use in your Forex trading. And I'm also going to show you lots of examples of how you can institute hedging into your strategy, no matter what strategy you trade with, right? It doesn't really matter if you're a trend trader or a counter trend trader, or if you use Bollinger Bands or Fibonacci's or whatever. It doesn't matter what strategy you use to find your trades. By implementing the correct hedging strategy for your trading style, it's just wonderful. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to do a series of workshops on Black Friday. I'm going to give 7 different sessions. It's all going to be the same workshop, but I spaced it out so that you will be able to find a time when you can come to one of the live sessions and take advantage of my knowledge. I've been trading Forex for 20 years, and I've been trading profitably for 20 years. And one of the things that I do is I utilize my hedging strategy. I just hate when I see people lose money in their Forex trading. And so I'm going to show you a way where you won't have to lose money in your Forex trading. You can literally make a profit every trade you take. And here's the best thing. A lot of times, when we get trades stuck in Forex, and you have a trade that's going ugly, a lot of times the only thing that you know to do is to take a loss on that trade. The problem with that is that those losses add up, and they add up pretty fast. And then when you do have trades that you make profit on, you're just forfeiting a lot of that profit because of the fact that you have closed other trades for losses, right? And that just doesn't make any sense to me. And I just hate it when I see people losing money in Forex trading. There's just no reason. So anyway, I am inviting you and all your friends, you can share this information with as many people as you'd like, to come to one of my sessions. You do not have to pre-register. It is free. And so all you have to do is just show up, okay? And right here on the front page of my website, I've posted all of the different times that I'm going to have the sessions, and these times are posted in Eastern time in the U.S., Central time in the U.S., and Pacific time. But if you don't live in the U.S. time zones, just figure out when these times would be wherever you live. And I'm going to have 7 sessions over a 24-hour period, so there'll be plenty of opportunity for everybody to find a time that will work for their schedule. So I look forward to seeing you in one of my workshops on Friday. I want everybody's Forex history in their MetaTrader accounts to look like this. What I want you to focus on is the profit column here. And what you'll notice as I scroll down through here is that every single one of these trades is closed for a profit. And if your account does not look like this, then we need to talk, and you need to show up into my free seminar on Friday, because there is just no reason in the world why you should ever close a trade for a loss in Forex. Okay? And I just gonna keep scrolling down this list to show you, and if I pause absolutely anywhere in this list, what you'll see is that every single trade has closed for a profit. And there are literally hundreds and hundreds of trades in this list. This list actually goes back to when I started trading this particular demo account. Now I also have live accounts that I trade on, but this is one of the accounts where I'm teaching my students how to trade utilizing hedging strategies, right? And so this demo account is very similar to my students' accounts. Now a lot of my students are trading with live accounts also, and just last week I had 2 of my students that were in class with me last week that made well over 600 pips over the course of the week. And of course, you know, pips can be of different price values depending on the size of the account and the size of the trades that you're making. But let's talk. Did you make 600 pips of profit in your Forex account last week? If you didn't, you need to be in my class on Friday, because I can teach you how to do that and more, right? So anyway, and we're almost down to the bottom of the list here. But it's a long list, so it took a long time to scroll down through it. But this account has closed $4,032 of profit. It began, scroll back to the top, it began with a balance of $10,000 on October 8th. Or I'm sorry, this one started on September 9th. Okay, my mistake. I thought it was October 8th. It was September 4th. But anyway, if your account doesn't look like this, we need to talk. Be in my class. I'll see you on Friday. You just have to show up. No pre-registration is necessary. How easy can it be? It's free. All you have to do is click this link. Okay? See you then. Bye.